Welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Honda XR200, a legendary off-road motorcycle that returns with classic reliability, lightweight performance, and trail-ready durability. Built for riders who love simplicity and control, the XR200 stays true to its roots. Design and build quality. The 2026 Honda XR200 features a rugged, minimalist design focused on off-road use. Its lightweight frame makes it easy to handle on trails, while the high ground clearance and slim body improve maneuverability. Durable plastics and a tough steel chassis ensure it can handle rough terrain with ease. Engine and performance. Powering the XR200 is a reliable air-cooled single-cylinder engine tuned for smooth, predictable power delivery. It's not about raw speed, but about control and torque at low to mid RPMs, making it perfect for trail riding, learning off-road skills, and long dirt adventures. Suspension and handling. With long travel front forks and a rear monoshock, the XR200 absorbs bumps, rocks, and uneven surfaces confidently. The lightweight construction and balanced geometry give riders excellent control, especially on tight trails and technical sections. Braking and safety. The braking setup is simple and effective, offering consistent stopping power on dirt surfaces. The predictable braking response helps riders maintain confidence during downhill sections and sudden terrain changes. Comfort and usability. An upright riding position, wide handlebars, and a comfortable seat make the XR200 suitable for extended rides. Its low maintenance requirements and fuel efficiency make it a practical choice for both beginners and experienced trail riders. Final verdict. The 2026 Honda XR200 is a dependable, no-nonsense off-road bike that focuses on durability, ease of use, and pure trail fun. It's an excellent choice for riders who value reliability and simplicity over complexity.